Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Juan's Brewing Shenanigans. And as promised by myself and the Wheel of Terror over here, we're going to be doing the White Lightning Cocoa Challenge by Fuego Spice Company. Whoa. It's going to be this little guy, or this big guy, I don't know yet. It says 50 meals donated per bar sold. It's a 2020 challenge. So I'm a little behind, but I still wanted to try no matter what. It says, warning, stupid spicy. White chocolate infused with 12 of the world's hottest peppers. 11 grams. On the back of it, it says, marriage between good and evil. The Cocoa Challenge is for the pain-seeking masochist who wants to join the fight to end hunger but also has no regard for their own well-being. Our second iteration is fired up by an insanely spicy unreleased 12 pepper blend exclusive to the Cocoa Challenge. Contains no extracts. So let's get into it, huh? Oh, jeez. I opened it the wrong way. Oh, man. Okay, here's a little package. In the box it says, in partnership with Feeding America, 50 meals worth of food, $5, will be donated for every Cocoa Challenge purchased. Crazy enough to take the challenge? Eat it. Eat the entire bar of chocolate and film it. Take a video or photo of your attempt to eat the delicious white chocolate bar from hell. Terrible sweet pain awaits. There you go. Check that out. So, let's get into it. Adios mio. Here we go. Unopened. White lightning. White lightning, white lightning. Oh man, I can smell the peppers in this. Look at that. I don't know if you see. Oh, you can see all the peppers, the pepper flakes in there. Ah! I ain't afraid though. That's, ooh. Shouldn't have done that. We're gonna get this. I'm gonna survive this. I ain't scared. Let's get this. Y'all ready? I don't know if I should bite it and then bite the rest or just eat it all at once. Should I eat it all at once? I think I should, huh? Suspense. Alright. Sometimes you just gotta say fork it. tell you right now, that chocolate tastes a lot. It tastes a lot better. It tastes a lot better than the hottest chocolate bar in the world. The hottest chocolate bar tastes like the kind of candy you get at like Halloween. Halloween or Easter is like that bad dark chocolate stuff you get for like $1 for a big bag. This tastes really good. The white chocolate, oh, it tastes really good. It tastes really good. Goes down pretty good. It's building a little bit, but it's not too bad. It's a manageable heat. It's a manageable heat. My tongue is on fire. But that's all. I mean, I can feel the back of my throat maybe warming up, but I'm doing good. This is good. The chocolate itself is freaking amazing. Excuse me again. The chocolate is good. It's great. It's awesome. I don't know if I built my tolerance up so high, but this is pretty good. This is literally the epitome of taste versus spice. And this is awesome. This is awesome. I love it. So shout out to Fuego Spice Company, the Cocoa Challenge. Y'all check it out. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, I appreciate you. I'll see you later. Never goodbye.